Okay, so this is the first one. Listen carefully. If you're traveling on vacation or maybe you're moving your family across the country to work on a daytime television show, you may find yourself having to pack some delicate and fragile items. Stephen, you're flying China.
Absolutely.
Since you left your packing to the last minute and you have babies, you don't have time to get bubble wrap or newspaper. The internet says you can use a diaper. Apparently, you just wrap your delicate goods in the diaper. Does this sound like a hack or is it whack?
I think it's a hack.
I think it's a hack. Listen, if you have things in newspaper,
Because you need to absorb
this is
liquid,
even better.
not impact.
No, but think when you move, you have things in newspaper, right?
The audience is aggressively shouting hack. You think this is gonna work?
Yeah.
All right, so I've wrapped up my what is this even called?
It's a saucer.
My saucer. Clearly, guys, I can tell you every part of a bottle, but a saucer, I have no idea.
No.
And my teacup. These are my actual old newborn diapers. My babies don't fit them anymore, so just reusing. Here we go. Most of you think it's a hack. Will it work?
I think it's a hack. That sounds like a hack.
Great.
Ladies and gentlemen,
It's
intact. It is a hack. Woo! Oh, I can finally sip my fine tea.
My fine china is not broken.
Just
Yes.
as I'm breastfeeding. Perfect.
The next one's awesome. If you find yourself ever sitting in a tub enjoying a nice glass of red wine.
As we do.
And reading your jaunty novel.
Stephen, did you bring this from your own collection?
Yes, that's a picture of you, Jess. I don't know who that is
Oh,
there.
that's you. It's young
No,
Stephen.
that's not me. I was
us.
never that person, but you're sitting there, too many glasses of wine, and you're like,
Not the daring twin.
Yes, and you got to dry it out. Well, what they say is that you take a diaper and you immediately put it in a diaper and wrap it up. Do you guys think this is a hack or a whack?
And the diaper will soak
I think it's a hack.
Apparently.
All the pages, though.
It's meant to absorb liquid. That's what it does. Trust me, that's what it does.
Suck it out.
I say it's hack.
Yeah.
Leave
It's
this in the sun for about 24
In the
hours.
sun.
The sun.
Well, like on the windowsill,
Okay.
right? And let's see, guys.
You did this last night?
I did this last night.
With your other romance novel?
Well, the internet claims it's true, but guys, look at.
Oh my.
This is.
Is it dry? That's what I'm saying. The individual
No.
pages.
Oh, and it smells like mold.
Oh, it stinks.
Oh,
No, this actually killed the mood, ladies and gentlemen. It's whack.
It's whack.
Out of there.
That's whack.
All right, so the next one, you know when you need an ice pack, you get in an accident, you bruise yourself, but you don't have one? Well, here is my hack. So what you do is you take a diaper and you put rubbing alcohol and take about a cup, put about a cup in there.
And why alcohol?
Well, alcohol doesn't freeze, right? Because we're gonna put this in the freezer because we're looking for an ice pack. So it doesesn't freeze, but it gives you a nice consistency and then a little bit
That's
of
a
water.
lot of liquid, girl.
I know, but you know what? The bruise is big, honey. The bruise is big. We had a little bit of spillage. Don't worry about that, right? We get our zip bag. We put it in there. We put this in the freezer. We close it like so.
Don't get that mixed up with anything else.
Yes,
Right,
please don't. All right, so you guys think this is a hack or a whack?
I think it's a hack.
All right, let's find out. I made one yesterday, froze it overnight. Let's see if it works.
Oh, it feels jelly-like.
Oh.
Right? Nice and cold.
Oh, yeah, it's like one of those actual
Ice
gel
packs.
packs.
Yeah.
Feel it.
Yeah. I like how it's not rock hard.
Right there.
Oh,
I
yeah.
You better there, hun?
It's a hack.
What do you think?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's official. That's a hack.
Thank you very much. It's good.
It's not bad. Now, guys, last but not least, everyone knows you shouldn't pour any cooking grease or rendered out bacon fat or anything like that down your drain.
No.
Clogs your drain.
Right.
Yeah.
So, and you can't put it directly into the garbage sometimes, too, if it's hot, because you'll melt your garbage bag. Yeah. So apparently, the internet says if you pour the hot cooking grease into a diaper, it will absorb the grease and you can throw it away in your garbage.
Yes, yeah.
So what do you guys think? Is this a hack or a whack?
Really? I think it's a hack. I think it's a hack.
There's a lot of hacks.
I think it's a hack that's brilliant.
I think it's a hack.
I don't know if a diaper can handle the bacon.
Have you?
Shank, you've seen the diapers handle way worse than this.
Thank you.
I think it's a hack. Let's see. I've got bacon fat here. It smells delish.
Okay.
I was like nothing
Let's
better
put
than some
it
good
into
bacon
the
fat.
diaper.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, it's absorbing.
It's absorbing.
Right?
Hey.
Hey, what is
I
that?
think it's a hack. Because now I can throw it in like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a hack.
You're the bottom.
That's a hack. That's a hack.
Yes.
I like it.
And our audience was 99% correct. Well done. There you have it. A few ways to make use of your spare baby or adult diapers. We won't judge.